Dear students, today we will do the word problems based on decimal numbers. So let's start with first word problem. Height of the top of a tower is 13.5 meter above water level of a pool. Consider it as a pool. So it is the water level. This is the pool. Okay. And the height of the top of a tower is, this is tower. And its height from this level is 13.5 meter. And depth of the pool means, consider the depth of the pool is 3:3/8 meter. Now find in decimal height of the top of a tower. This is the top of the tower, and find its height from the bottom of a pool. This is the bottom of a pool. Now to find this height of the top of the tower from the bottom, you have to add these two distances. Clear? But it is in decimal formation and it is in fraction form. So you have to convert either decimal to fraction or fraction to decimal. But in question, it is asked find in decimal. So you have to convert this fraction to decimal and then add both of these. Clear? So first we will convert this fraction to the decimal. If it is not asked in the question, then you can convert either fraction to decimal or decimal to fraction and then add. But first make both in same format. Clear? So first convert 3:3/8 to decimal. It is mixed fraction. So first convert into improper fraction. It will be 27/8. Now 27 will be the dividend and 8 will be the divisor. 24. So for converting to decimal, we have to write 0 here and write decimal here. Now again it is divided by 3, 24, one more 0. You have to write here. Then it will be divided by 7. It is a multiple of 7. Now again one more 0. Continue doing like this until you get the remainder 0. So 8 5 is the 40. It means the decimal representation of this fraction is 3.375 meter. Now simply add these two distances. But see, it is 13.5 and it is 3.375. So first make them like decimals. Because when we add or subtract, always add same place value in same place value. So you have to first make them like. So let's start. First given height of a tower. It is 13.5. Now how will you make it like? Because here are 3 digits after decimal. So make 3 digits in this also. So you have to write 2 0 at the end. And don't forget to write the unit. Clear? Now depth of pool is 3.375 meter. We have converted it into decimal. So height of top of tower from bottom of pool is equal to 13.500 and 3.375. Yeah. Now let's add them. 5, 7, 8, 6. So your answer will be 16.875 meter. So this will be the height of tower from the bottom of the sea level. It is clear to you? So next word problem is find the area of square of side 5.6 meter. Now side of square is given and you have to find area. In 6th class in mensuration you have read about the area of square. What is the area of square? You know? Have you remembered? Yes. The area of square is side multiplied by side. So what is given to you? Side of square 5.6 meter. Then area of square. First write the formula. Side multiplied by side. So it will be 5.6 multiplied by 5.6. So forget about the decimal. Multiply 56 by 56 and after that we will put the decimal. So first multiply 56 by 56. The multiplication will be your fair work. You have to multiply in fair, not in rough. Clear? So multiply 56 by 56. 6, 6, 36. 3 will be carried. 6, 5, 30 and 30 or 3, 33. Now multiply with 5. 5, 6, 30. 3 carry. 25 or 3, 28. Now add 3136. Now it's time to write decimal point. I have told you that in multiplication the decimal point should be added. Clear? So here the decimal is after one digit. Here also the decimal is after one digit. 1 plus 1, 2. So in answer the decimal will be after 2 digits. And 2 digits from back. Always consider from back side. So it will be 31.36. Not 31.36. It is called 31.36. Now unit. Some student write meter. No. The unit of area is square meter or meter square. Because you are multiplying meter into meter. And in algebra you have read about, it will be m raised to the power 2. Means m square, or you can call it as square meter. So the area is in meter square. Is that clear? Now come to next question. If 1 kilogram of pure milk contains 0.346 kilogram of fat, and how much fat is there in 3.4 kilogram of milk? Means value of 1 is given and you have to find the value of more. If 1 is given and for finding the value of more, you simply multiply. The same here. So 1 kilogram milk contains how much fat? 0.346 kilogram. So 3.4 kilogram milk contains how much fat? Clear? So 1 kilogram of milk contains is equal to 0.346 kilogram fat. Clear? Then 3.4 kilogram of milk contain how much fat? So for finding the value of more, you have to multiply. So you have to multiply 0.346 by 3.4. Both are decimal numbers. So first, forget about decimal. Just simply multiply. Multiply 346 by 34. Now multiply by 4 first. 4 6 the 24. Then 4 4 16. 16 or 2 18. 1 carry. 4 3 12. 12 or 1 13. Now multiply by 3. 3 6 18. 1 carry. 3 4 12. 12 or 1 13. 1 carry. 3 3 9 or 1 10. You can check again. 4 6 24. 4 4 16 or 2 18. Then 1 carry. 4 3 12. 12 or 1 13. Then multiply by 3. 3 6 18. 3 4 12 or 1 13. 3 3 9 or 1 10. And I have told you do multiplication in pair. Clear? So now add these 4, 16, 1, 1. So it will be 11,764. Now time to write decimal. Now here the decimal is after 3 digits, and in this the decimal is after 1 digit. And you know very well, in multiplication the decimal point added. Clear? So 3 plus 1, 4. So in answer the decimal will be after 4 digits from back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 1.1764 kilogram. Never forget to write the decimal. Is that clear? We will use all basic operations in word problems. Multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. Clear? But mind it, when you use multiplication, division or subtraction. Clear? When value of 1 is given, and for finding the value of more, you have to multiply. But value of more is given, and to find the value of 1, you have to divide. Just mind it. Clear? So our next question is, Savita cuts 49.5 meter of cloth into pieces of 1.5 meter each. How many pieces does she cut? Now let's take an example. For example, you have 10 meter cloth. The length of cloth is 10 meter. And you want it to cut it into equal pieces. And the length of each piece is 2 meter. Then how many pieces have you cut? Yes, 5 pieces. And you get 5 just dividing 10 by 2. Now same in this question. The total length of cloth is 49.5 meter. And length of one piece is 1.5 meter. And now find the number of pieces. It means you just divide 49.5 by 1.5. Clear? So in this word problem, you will divide. Is that clear? So the length of cloth is 49.5 meter and length of each piece is 1.5 meter. So, number of pieces will divide, means length of cloth divided by length of one piece, means 49.5 divided by 1.5. When you divide the numerator by denominator, they should be like decimals. If they are, then forget about the decimal point and just do as you do in whole number. Or you can convert the decimal to fraction and then divide. That is your wish. So, both are like decimals. So, no need to make them like. So, now divide 495 by 15 because both are like. The decimal will cancel. So, 15 see the 45. Now, again, it will divided by 3. 15 3 the 45. So, your answer will be 33 pieces. And my dear students, the number of pieces will be always be an whole number because they are pieces. Pieces can't be in fraction or decimal. Clear? So, to find the number of pieces, just divide the total length of cloth by the length of one piece. And never forget to write the unit. Here the unit is pieces. So, it will be 33 pieces. Is that clear?